Sure, Fetu. Let me introduce myself. I go by the name I am TK. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that at least we can reach 1,000 subscribers. Okay, guys, today I'm at my studio. That's where I work. Okay, if you can look at the back there, that's my computer. That's why I edit. That's my keyboard there. That's where I create my own scores and stuff. Okay, up there, those are my hours. Those are my hours up there. So yeah, guys, yeah, I believe from now on, I will be sharing with you guys my life, what I do every day, the work that I will be doing every day. So guys, please don't forget to support the boy. Just hit the subscription button, share this video with the people that you love, because I'm going to give you the best content ever every day, from my personal life, the work, love life, family, traveling, food, everything. I will be giving you guys everything about life. So yeah, but yeah, let me just go out and show you where I am. I'm sorry guys, there's a generator that is making noise out there, so don't mind it.